Hello, this is Cameron doing a proof video, trade line proof video for one of our apartment packages. We get a lot of questions of what the package will look like once the trade line posts on the profile. Well, this is it. This is one of our packages. A client ordered, this is a tri-merge CPN with one of our trade lines that we put, standard trade lines we put on this package. It is a Capital One, $300 limit. That's a year and a few months old. It's kind of got some age on it. Gives a score of about 706. This is what is used primarily for our apartment renters and house renters. It's a good score and usually comes up clean with no evictions or criminal backgrounds, and this is ideally used for renting. You can build upon this profile to get other credit, maybe credit cards or a car, but it has to be built upon. It has to maybe add an older trade line, a higher limit trade line, but this is primarily for apartment renters. That's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. My name's Cameron. My number is 202-213-2218. We have other trade lines as well. We have over 400 trade lines. You can subscribe to our list at tradelines.biz. It's trade lines with the S.biz. We get a bi-weekly list of trade lines. And that's about it.